from West Bengal. I am starting from our state, Behala, that is Willpower. The organization Willpower. And now I will be requesting Mr. Shomnath Vishwas. Is he here? Well, we have got from Barashat S3 Firefighting Services Private Limited. The next name from Barashat, that is S3 Firefighting Services Private Limited. Yes, from Asansol we have got Papyrus, the organization, and the next name is Willpower from Bankura. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining here. The next name is Willpower from Bankura. Followed by that we have got Era Enterprise from Goria. Era Enterprise from Goria. And followed by that we have got Unique Carriers from Howrah. Thank you so much, and now it's some time to gather those snaps and pictures. So Era Enterprise is here, I believe. And then followed by that it's Unique Carriers from Howrah. Era Enterprise once again from Baruipur. So these are some names from West Bengal. And next from Orissa, that is Padalaya Ventures, someone from Cuttack. Padalaya Ventures from Cuttack. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for joining here with us. Followed by that we have got Brandybush Services Private Limited from Bhubaneswar. Yes, I believe the people are coming. Congratulations. And we have got Mr. Victor Dev from Mission 30. That is West Bengal. From West Bengal, Shithimor, very close to the destination, is Victor Dev from Mission 30. From Noida, Ghaziabad as well. So now we have got with us Mr. Victor Dev from Mission 30. Congratulations, sir. Ready to learn Jharkhand. Thank you so much, sir. Well, the next name, BNTC Education Trust from Deoghar. BNTC Education Trust from Deoghar. Followed by that Mr. Amit from Chas. Congratulations and celebrations. Well, we have got Komorebi Associates from Dhanbad. Coach Up from Jamshedpur. Coach Up from Jamshedpur. I believe the people are here. Followed by that we have got Rupesh Verma from Noida Sector 93. Coach Up from Jamshedpur. We have got with us Mr. Naresh Kumar Singh from Jamshedpur. Congratulations, sir. Followed by that we have got Master from Patshala as well as Adhbari. Both the locations. And Shubhra Bhattacharya from Agartala. So thank you all the people, all the franchisee for being here with us, and any master franchisee like Mr. Devdutt Sharma. We have got the master franchisee as well. Thank you so much. And followed by that, we have got Colonel Shantanu Chaudhary from Madhya Pradesh. Yes, sir is here with us. Followed by that, we have got two eminent guests from the state Gujarat, Mr. Sharad K. Singh. Along with that, we have got the second guest, that is Mr. Rushal Shah. Thank you, sir, for being here with us. Thank you, sir, once again, and congratulations. Last but not the least, we have got Mr. Kunwarjit S. Paneshwar from East Maharashtra. Congratulations, sir, once again. Let's put a round of applause for all the master franchisee and franchisee before proceeding with the lunch session.